Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you a remix. I decided to make a remix for a remix contest. I will not take part in this contest. I made this remix just for me and just to show you how to make a remix in a melodic house and techno genre. I started on my other channel. I'll leave a link in the description where I started. I speak other language there, as you know, but maybe you will notice some details how I made this remix. I decided to use this remix contest to make this remix. It's a remix contest by Pragmatico, a track called Gospel Freaks. I'll leave the link in the description to original track. You can easily listen to it. By the way, if you want to take part in this contest, there is maybe 3 days, because I recorded video a day before its release on my YouTube channel. It's something like 3 days to take part in this remix contest. I decided to make it just to show you how I made it in this genre. So let me show you some parts of this track, and I'll explain how I made it. So let's listen from the breakdown. It sounds something like that. I leave the link, by the way, it exists already, to my Telegram channel. I'll upload this version there. You can listen to full remix by me there. Let me explain what I used here. I decided to make melodic house and techno, as I said, because when I listened to original, I decided to this genre it's more fit than other genres. So let me show you what I use in this track. We have the rhythm section, sounds like that. Of course, we have something like a shaker or tambourine. We have open hat and right. Also we have a snare. I guess it's a typical rhythm section for this genre. We have the bass section. I decided to make this bass on one note in this section, something like in the intro, and we have a variation of the bass in this part, something like something like culmination of this track. We have sub bass. I decided to make a bass like that. We have 3 layers of mid bass. It sounds with a delay and more fit to this genre. We have these automations here to make the bass and the kick quieter till the start of the breakdown. Something like that. We have the step section. I really like what I have here. Let me show you something like that. I decided to use these steps because we have this gospel chord and we have something like a pause here. I decided to fill this pause using these steps. Something like that. It's something like a question answer feature. We have one instrument, something like a question. We have other instruments, so like an answer. I guess you know this feature in the electronic music. And we have something like 2 types. Not 2 types, maybe 3 or 4 types of these steps. We have something like that. We have automation of this filter. We have this one. It's something like a lead. Let me show you the preset of Nexus. It's called Karate by Kashmir. If you have this package, it's really cool, by the way. And I decided to use a lot of reverb here. Yeah, and I used legato, something like this, to make more smooth transition. Yeah, and we have a bit another step here. Something like that. By the way, I really like this part. We have automation cutoff, something like that, and we have automation of pitch. Something like that. I really like how this pitch sounds. There are a lot of tracks in melodic house and techno genre with these pitches. Really sounds more atmosphere, it has variation in this drop with this pitch. That's why I decided to use it. We have something like a plug. I decided to use it, but we have this one of original stems. I left both here. So we have this plug in the breakdown. We have this swell from original stems. Also we have a pad. It sounds more on background, something like the texture. Yeah, we have a gospel choir. I showed it already. So we have this voice. It sounds in the breakdown. In this breakdown I decided to use another vox, something like a main vox. We have swells, something like that. We have these affixes from original stems. I really like how it sounds, and in the drop it sounds really cool. By the way, we have here on the main drop something like question answer feature. We have vocals this bar, we have step this bar, then we have again vocals third bar, and the fourth bar we have this freaks affix and this lead. It's something like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 options like these leads, steps and vocals, and it sounds really cool. We have variation of these synths and vocals. That sounds really cool. Yeah, we have this synth melody from original stems. I like how it sounds. We have a pad. And we have here something like angel voice. By the way, it's called angel voice in the vocal or core section in the Nexus. We have raise bass. Yes, something like that. Here we have this arpeggio. I like how it sounds, something like impact, a crash, a down lifter. We have these snares, and uplifter. And we have here uplifter, something like a tonal uplifter. It sounds like a more EDM, more big room, but I really like how it sounds in the break. So it sounds like that. By the way, there are a lot of vocals, or a lot of tracks with vocals on the drop. I mean the melodic house techno tracks. I don't know, maybe it's a trend or something, but I really like how it sounds. And we have a section here just with vocals, some swells, and the main drop with a lot of synths, steps. That sounds really cool. So, what do you think about this remix? As I said, you can listen to full remix on my Telegram channel. Also check links in description to my Boosty and Patreon. I leave the link to this project. Maybe you want to make something like that using this reference, using this I don't know, maybe instruments to make your own track. Of course, if you want to make your own track, don't forget to delete these vocals, synths, because it's original synths by Pragmatico. Don't forget to delete them if you want to use this template to make your own track. Yeah, you can use, of course, these chords, maybe some steps, because it's just my ideas. You can use them, of course, but these stems you don't have a permission to use. Yeah, something like that. So Mencho was here. Bye bye, guys.